Ready, Bear? Ready to go to the post office? Pick up some turkeys? Are you? Wanna go for a ride? Bear, come on. Get in the truck. Come on. Come on, Bear. You need a lift? You do. Oh. Heading down to the post orifice to grab some Twerkeys today. And I hope that they're all okay. And that there weren't any delays with the post office or mishandling or any other nightmares that have been reported with people picking up chicks lately. Hoping they're all gonna be good. Twerkeys. Alright. Let's get these turkeys home. Right there. What do you got? Twerkeys. Get you out of here. Oh, goody. We are all alive and all good from Murray McMurray here. Everybody is alive and happy. Look at that. Awesome. Right. I'm getting the sun bath here. Make sure they're not going to drown in their water or two. There you go. Don't drown in it. We got 10 Bourbon Red and 5 standard bronze. Wanted some midget whites, but they were completely sold out for the year and gone. So, trying these breeds. I already have a Bourbon Red Tom, but these will be the first ladies, depending on how many of these are ladies here on the farm in a long time. So I think my 3 existing Toms are going to be very, very happy. And the extra boys will end up in the freezer. Yeah, they're all good here. This yellowish concoction here is fresh gravity-fed spring water with apple cider vinegar, some vitamin C crystals, and a little pinch of golden seal. Give this to all the chicks on the farm when they arrive, especially the turkeys, since they seem to be more fragile than any other thing ever on the farm. And you do have to dip their beaks and show them how to drink it first, and then make sure they don't drown themselves in the water for the next couple of hours. Don't be wet. We are looking really good here, so I'm going to get these guys some food. On a side note, I'd like to announce that I accidentally went into the post office to grab these chicks without a mask on, and I'm a complete douchebag for forgetting my mask, which was right in the truck. I went in and the woman at the counter did also not have a mask on, so I think we can do better. Kind of calling out myself and my local post office on this one. I forgot to put my mask on. She didn't even have one on. That's not helping here. I think we can all do better, myself included, first and foremost, by example. Yeah, try not to forget to put your damn mask on.